Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Basically, today I'm going to show you top 3 tricks you can do with a butterfly knife. Okay, let's go. Okay. As you may not know, I am trained in the martial arts of butterfly knifing. When I was in my hometown of Kombombo, they have shown me the ways of how to defend myself. And today, I'm going to show you the top 3 tricks you can do with a butterfly knife. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. So, okay, number 1. So we call this, when you get the butterfly knife, you will find a safety lever when you have a real one. So what you want to do, and I must tell you first, this is a disclaimer, please do this supervised. Kids, do not try this. If you want, you can get one of these, dummy knives with no real blades, but please don't try these tricks with real blades. It is very dangerous. I must express this. I am a trained professional. I have been experienced for many years, and that's why I know how to use a butterfly knife. But if you are not trained, please do not try this. Okay, so trick 1, let's go. Okay, so number 1 is you grab your butterfly knife. You see the safety lever, you want to flick this like that, and then there we are. This is trick 1. This is how you open a butterfly knife. Okay, trick 2. Okay, trick 2. This is the most important trick you want to know, is how to close a butterfly knife. So the trick is, once it's open like this, so you've opened it, hold it like this. As you can see, my thumb is in the middle, and you get your little fingers here. So put your 2 fingers here. What you want to do is flick it. You see how I flick it? Like that. And put some pressure once you're flicking it, and use your wrist. So you want to do it. There we go. You see how I closed it? We can try again. So you see here, use your fingers, flick, and it should close like this. Then put your safety bezel back on, and there we go. That is trick 2. Okay. Trick 3. Number 3 is my special one. This is what I have learned when I was defending myself against lizards. There is a lot of lizards in my hometown of Bombo town. And now I'm going to show you how to defend yourself against lizards. Okay, so first thing you want to do, get your blades out again, get ready like this, and then this is a trick. And there you go. That was a good trick. I learned that one. It takes a few days of experience, but once you are experienced, you will learn how to use your butterfly knife. No problem at all. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed my top 3 tricks to do with your butterfly knife. And as always guys, if you like the video, like the video. I'm going to catch you on the next one. And as always, Bali.